Imagine checking into a hotel, paying the standard nightly rate, and simply walking right into a massive sunlit corner suite. This isn't a random stroke of luck. It happens because a guest understands how to navigate the hotel's internal inventory system. I'm Kelly Bennett, and this is Adventures and Abodes. We focus on travel intelligence, actionable systems that improve your experience without increasing your budget. Today, I'm going to walk you through a precise 4-step framework designed to remove the frictions that normally prevent an upgrade, costing you absolutely $0 and working across almost any hotel brand. This strategy relies on a basic operational reality. Hotels frequently have unsold premium inventory on the day of your arrival. Because front desk agents have discretionary authority over those empty rooms, they can assign them to guests who know how to ask. Securing that better room is a matter of deliberately aligning your arrival with the hotel's existing inventory management processes. The system starts long before you reach the lobby. You have to clear the logistical hurdles that typically block an agent from seeing available rooms. Step 1 is hitting the golden window. Arrive for check-in between 4:30 and 6 p.m. Before 4 p.m., housekeeping is still turning over rooms, so premium inventory isn't visible. After 8 p.m., remaining premium rooms are locked down for guaranteed late arrivals. Step 2 is signing up for the hotel brand's free loyalty program before you make the reservation. Many travelers assume these accounts are only for frequent flyers or business travelers, but that misses the operational point. The hotel's property management software is designed to filter arrivals. When inventory is limited, the system assists the agent by automatically prioritizing a member tier over a standard guest in tiebreaker scenarios. By optimizing your arrival time and holding a basic membership, you remove the initial algorithmic friction and place yourself at the top of the eligibility list before you even speak to a human. Step 3 requires you to book the reservation directly through the hotel's official website or app rather than a third-party site. Online travel agencies take a significant cut of the booking price. This reduces the hotel's profit margin on your stay, which removes their incentive to offer you free perks. Beyond the money, there is a technical barrier. Third-party platforms often lock the reservation code, which can prevent a front desk agent from physically modifying the room tier in their system. Direct booking gives the desk agent full authority to override room assignments. Your profile remains modifiable, allowing for quick adjustments without breaking internal rules. With technical barriers cleared, we reach Step 4, the exact ask. Here, a polite, approachable tone acts as the final multiplier for the entire system. Once you're at the desk, use this script. "Hi, I'm really excited about my stay. I was wondering, is there any chance a nicer room is available this evening? Even a different floor or a better view would be wonderful." This script works because it doesn't demand a massive suite. By mentioning a better view or a higher floor, you give the agent easy, low-cost alternatives that still feel like a significant win for your stay. If the property is at total capacity, ask for a mid-stay room move. Once other guests check out the following morning, premium inventory often opens up for the remainder of your trip. Direct booking clears technical barriers, while the script addresses the human element. You've cleared the path for the agent to gladly say yes. To recap, book direct, attach your loyalty number, arrive during the 4:30 p.m. window, and use the polite script. By systematically removing these points of friction, travelers who use this sequence consistently see their results improve, often reaching an upgrade success rate of 60% or higher. However, an upgrade doesn't help you if you overpaid for the base room rate to begin with. I've built a hotel value scorecard to help you mathematically verify a hotel's true cost, including hidden fees, before you ever hit the book button. You can access the scorecard via the link in the description. Subscribe for more frameworks that take the guesswork out of your travel planning. Apply intelligence to your travel logistics, and you will travel smarter, not harder. I'll see you in the next one.